Start.
Okay, Ryansh. Where is O? Find the pair of O. Mama. Baby O. And O phonics? O phonics? O. Say loudly. जोर से बोलो. O. Okay, now find G. Pair of G. And G sound? Go. G sound? Go. Okay. Shivansh, find N. Mama N and baby N. That is baby N? Yes. And N phonics, N sound? Bolo? Na. And now find D. Pair of D. Mama D and baby D. Where is D? Mama D and baby D. Okay. Now what is the phonics of D? D phonics? The. Very good.
Shreyas, where is Mama A? Where is Baby A?
Baby A.
Very good. Where is Mama F? Where is Baby F? Very good. Where is Mama B? Where is the Mama B? Where is the Mama B? Very good. Where is the Baby B? B. Very good. Where is the Mama E? Where is the Mama E? Where is the Baby E? Very good. Stop.